So here are the chicks, baby chicks, and these are 2 days old. Spot the duckling. There he is. This is from the third batch of my hatching for the year of 2015, and it's gonna be my last for this year. And guess what? One duckling, additional duckling hatched. The first two, one of the two that hatched a couple of days ago died, and this is another one that hatched, which is a late hatch, but he made it. I hope he's healthy. He's not as active as this one, and he's smaller, but he's alive and kicking.